Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out this luggage topper for your car. We got this for a road trip and we're just excited. So we haven't left yet. I will film an update once we get there, but I was really impressed with how much it held. So it really the zipper is great because it's underneath, like it's pinched in between here where it's Velcroed. So it really is waterproof unless you go under a lake or something. It's going to be waterproof. Lots of secure straps. We do have a rack here, a luggage rack, but this is one that it has the same straps if you want to have it go through the car. So if you do not have a rack to secure it to, you can still use this, which I love, love, love. It is super heavy duty plastic. The straps are well made. Everything is really nice and secure on there. It's way bigger than I thought. This is on top of a Dodge Journey, and so this is a good size SUV, and you can see it takes up, let me zoom out a little bit. So we got a Dodge Journey here, and so it takes up about it's a good amount of the roof space. So it really is, it's impressive with how much we were able to get in there. It does come with a cool non-slip, see if you can see that there, a little non-slip grip thing to go underneath it so it doesn't slide around. It does have instructions. It does have multiple different straps for however you're going to be attaching this. But we are loving it right now for packing. When we get to our destination, we will update you.